I'm a family lawyer and I've witnessed the same thing time and time again. Someone sits down to fill out their financial statement and they become completely overwhelmed. They don't know what documents to include and they make mistakes that cost them time and money. So I built something to fix that. A web-based app at myfamilyforum.ca takes your source documents and fills in the information for you. All you have to do is upload your pay stubs, your bank statements, your credit card statements, and your notices of assessment, and the financial statement is filled out for you. You can edit it and review it at any time. Watch a demo to see how it works.
So here we are on the home page of myfamilyforum.ca. And to get started, you just simply click Get Started, and it will prompt you to create an account with your email address and create a password. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll just log in with my email credentials. So I will start a new matter, and I can call it whatever I want. You can call it by the file number or the client's name. So our client here is Sarah Mitchell, and when it asks, are the parties married? If you say no, it'll generate a Form 13, but if you say yes, it'll generate a Form 13.1. So then we click Start Form, and we upload our pay stub. So here's Sarah Mitchell's pay stub, and we clicked Extract Information. You can upload multiple pay stubs, but here we'll just click Continue with one job because Sarah only has one job. Then we'll click Upload the NOAs, and we'll drop those in as well. The last 3 NOAs are required, and then we click Upload. Then we click Extract and Continue. Next, we're on step 2, which is where we input the biographical information. So there is a little bit of manual entry, but wherever we can, we have minimized the amount of manual entry. So it took Sarah Mitchell's name, and we have to type in the other party's name. So it's Tom Smith. We'll type in her phone number. It pulled her address from the NOA. And we'll type in her email address. Oops. And then we click Employed. You can also type in the lawyer, but we'll just simplify things and just leave it. Then we click Continue to Income and Expenses, and you'll see here it pulled the employer's name and the business address from the pay stub. So click Continue to Income and Expenses. And now here comes the fun part. We get to upload any credit card statements, and you can upload multiple credit card statements if you have them, as well as your bank statements. So we'll click Upload. Here's a Visa statement, and then also a bank statement. Then we'll click Analyze, and we'll allow the AI to analyze that and then categorize it to the correct expense category. So here we have it. It has taken each individual transaction and it's identified it and then mapped it to the correct expense field. But even if it's wrong, all we need to do is move it. So for example, here, clothing style Vana, I know that that is actually hair care and beauty. So I'll move that, and you'll see it goes down by the exact amount. So now it's going to take that and move it to hair care and beauty. And then you have to go down the list and just verify that it's correctly identified the transaction and it's in the correct expense category. So this is just to emphasize that the form is always reviewable before you generate the final PDF, and you can always go back and change something. And then it also has its own section for unrecognized transactions. So if there's something that the AI doesn't recognize based on the description, or it doesn't know where to put it, it leaves it here. So then you can just categorize it and assign it to its correct category. And if we're happy with the way that it's categorized it, then we just click Apply to Form. And you'll see here that it has actually mapped it to the correct expense category. Next, we'll click Continue to Assets. So here you type in the client's real estate assets. So here she lives at Maple Avenue, it's her only home, but you could always add another property. So her home's value is $1 million. Mortgage is $500,000. She has a vehicle. It's a Honda Civic, and its value is $22,000. And then it took the bank accounts on the bank statement, and then it already auto detected it, and then it applied that value. So this was actually a savings account, so we'll just check that off. You could also upload or add investments or other possessions of value, or any other assets. You could manually type that in. Next, we'll click continue to debts. And you'll see here that because it read the credit card statement that we uploaded, it correctly identified the full amount owing and the type of the credit card. You could also add any other debts here in the debt section. And then we'll click review and generate. So here it has summarized all of the different parts of the financial statement. So the income, the expenses, the assets. So if you miss something by accident, you can always go back. So here you just click the back button. But if we're happy with the way that it's captured everything and we want to generate the final form with the merged documents with the pay stub, we'll just click download complete package. So this has all of the documents as well as the financial statement included. And here's our package, and you see here's the financial statement with the income, the expenses, as well as the assets, the bank accounts, the credit card, the mortgage, and then you'll see here's the pay stub and the NOAs. And there you have it. You have your final financial statement ready to be signed.